But Ushoshi, do you just skip lunch in any way?
People who know me, they will vouch for the fact that I live to eat. It's a myth that models don't eat. I mean, if you come to the backstage of a fashion show, you will see models are
Just eating, just gobbling,
just hogging.
hogging.
Hogging. I am a true Bengali. I eat a lot. And I'll tell you why also, because I didn't grow up in Calcutta. I was born in Delhi, raised in Gujarat. My father was with the Indian Air Force.
Ah, right, with the
So I've,
forces.
and you know, always probably that's one of the reason I always felt very sad that I never read the Bengali literature, because my language was English and Hindi growing up.
Right.
But because you know how Bengali parents are, even if you are born in Mars, probably they would want you to talk
into
in
Tagore
Bangla.
and Bhopal.
Yeah. So when I came to Calcutta, my friends used to be shocked that how do I know Robindra Sangeet, Shama Sangeet, because that's what my father will play every day. And when I came to Calcutta, I saw many people would feel not good enough because they don't know English. And
But for
because they
you, it
couldn't
was
speak-
the other way around.
It was other way around, because my father always told me that if you're not confident in your mother tongue, that's a shame.
Yeah.
So he would make sure that we listen to Bangla music and we eat march.
Yeah.
Like it was his thing. Even in Baroda, he would travel a mile, he would get ilish, he would get chingri, he would get shutki, he would get lote.
The mouth is watering as you speak.
Yeah. And you know, he would make sure that we eat that, because I think for me, relevance to my culture was the food I ate and the way it was served. I do a lot of things in the city right now.
Yeah, because I feel that you have kind of branched out into many things. So I think we all would like to know a little bit about that.
I do host a lot of events. I have a grooming project for young children.
Right.
I mean, boys and girls who want to get into not only modeling, but I think they just want to groom themselves overall. I feel that, you know, I was just talking to Ifti a couple of minutes back about this, that I feel that, you know, when you go to a Miss Universe pageant, you see the swimsuit round.
Yeah.
And people perceive that, oh, why is a swimsuit round in a pageant? It's actually not to please your eyes. When a woman, I feel, is confident walking in a swimsuit in front of 3,000 people, you cannot break that woman down. Because body confidence is something that that changes your personality. And I think for me, the projects that I run is empowering young kids to speak in Bangla, to be proud of speaking in their mother tongue. I want to spend rest of my life empowering people to be confident of who they are, because that has brought me so far. The kids that I work with, I teach them how to walk in 6-inch heel, how to be confident in what they're wearing, what they're saying. I empower people that if you're from a Hindi-speaking community, speak in Hindi.